Stancomplect is here. Today we are going to review premium diamond cutters from the Taiwanese manufacturers HD. These cutters are manufactured using advanced technologies on modern CNC equipment and the best materials. Quality control at every stage guarantees the durability of the tool and the quality of processing your material. Each of cutters has a special coating that improves its performance. The milling cutter range is available in 3 different blade layouts: 1+1, 2+2, and 3+3. Let's discuss them in more detail. The first model is 1+1. This cutter is suitable for small cutting volumes. The cost-effectiveness of cutting with this cutter is close to that of carbide cutters, while the speed and quality of processing are much higher. The cutter is available with a diameter of 8 mm and a cutting height of 22 mm. The shank is 12 mm. 2+2 is optional solution for increasing the productivity of your cutting area. The 2+2 cutter is available with a cutting diameter of 16 mm. This diameter allows the cutter to operate in difficult conditions and under high loads. The use of premium materials and a 16 mm diameter result in cutter with a total length of 105 mm and a cutting height of 45 mm. A cutter with a cutting height of 25 mm is also available. The shank for both cutters is 16 mm. The 3+3 configuration is the best solution for high-speed cutting with quality. The 3+3 blade arrangement, reinforced body and optional chip removal from the workpiece area. This feature allowed this cutter to be used in the most demanding machining conditions. The cutters are available in diameters of 8, 10, 12, and 20 mm. The cutter with a diameter of 8 mm and a cutting height of 21 mm is gaining popularity among our customers. The high processing speed and 8 mm diameter minimize material waste. The ability to deal with any material makes this cutter a bestseller among 3+3 cutters. Our customers have already appreciated the economic feasibility of this cutter. Let's look at other sizes. The cutter has a diameter of 10 mm and a cutting height of 22 mm. A 12 mm cutter with a cutting height of 25 mm. Cutters with a diameter of 20 mm are available in 3 options of cutting height, in particular 28, 35, and 45 mm. We have selected an optional range of cutters that will satisfy the majority of production facilities. You can order all these cutters on our website, see the link in the description, or contact our specialists. Thank you for your attention.